Hello, here's the next video in the traffic stop channel, and this is a relaunch. What happened in May was there was some hackers that took over some sites' cPanels, and this is one of the ones that took the hit, so the site went down, and I guess they lost their database as well, so they had to start over. So Turbo List Mailer is relaunching, and I think it may have relaunched 2 days ago, but yesterday is where I saw it. So this is new this week anyway. And once you join Turbo List Mailer, go to voucher, and you're going to enter this code, turbo_return2. Once you enter it, you're going to get quite a bit of traffic. 1,500 email credits, 5,000 banner ad credits, 5,000 text ad credits, 2 solo email credits, 2 login ad credits, and I think it's one paid, some kind of pay-to-click ad credits. So this site is one of the ones that will definitely get you traffic. I used it before it got hacked. So, as I said, in a previous video where I recently published, launches are a big way to get easy traffic. I mean, this is like, because you don't have to click or surf or anything like that to get this. You just get it automatically with one promo code here. That's it. I mean, you don't have to work for it. You just sign up. And login ad credits are the best, even better than solo ads. So anytime you can get login credits, you definitely want to join. But this site is a site of a pretty active owner that'll get that'll get hundreds of members, if not 1,000, maybe more. But for sure it'll get a lot of members, and so you'll get traffic from this site. Now this site also has login bonuses. Actually, I've already viewed today's login bonuses, but when you log in you'll see them, and just wait for the countdown each time, and then click the green next ad button. So you can do that on a daily basis, the login ads. And so you get some of these login ads as well, 2 login ads. So across 2 different days, I think you'll get these credits. Okay, so not just the original voucher, but also login ad credits. Let me also remind you that I have a video series here on this channel, a traffic stop, for login bonuses. So you should really go through all of those videos, because login bonuses are really, they're just easier to get than sitting around clicking. I click on ads in certain sites, the good ones that I know are going to give me a lot of traffic. Otherwise, I'm not going to sit around clicking on ads when I'm not going to get much from it. But the thing about login ads is most sites that have login ads will, at least that's easy traffic, and you're not sitting around clicking. You're just logging in and you get the bonus. And there's a lot of them. So go to that login ad bonus series here on this channel, and you'll get more traffic, easy traffic. So if you can actually get a login ad for yourself, that's great. But also login bonuses from clicking on other people's login ads is an easy way to get traffic. So they're both good, and a lot of them are free. There's a few login ads that you can buy. I haven't tested them really, so I don't have an opinion yet on those. So until I test them, I'm not really gonna teach that particular method. But there's free ones that you can get, so that's the point. Is there's free ones you can get, so you might as well take advantage of that. If it does ask you to click a certain number of ads before you mail out, then just go to earning and unread emails. This is like an extra ad, so let's wait for this thing to count down. Alright, let's close it. But it looks like it gave us 15 credits for that. So here's, see, there's only 26 emails because it just opened. And so people are mostly just using their free, their free credits that they get. Their 1,500 email credits. By the way, 1,500 doesn't seem like much, but 1,500 is a lot more on a new site because of the higher click-through rate, which is another reason why you want to join new sites and why I explained in that recent video. You're just going to get a higher click-through rate. So that 1,500 credits is worth a lot more than it will be in a year. It's worth a lot more right now than it will be in a year. So once you join a new site, don't take like a year to send out 1,500 email credits. It's a new site, so send out on a regular basis. Use these credits when you get more traffic from them. If you wait a year, then you will get less traffic from them every time. So if you're joining right away, and this is a brand new site, this literally only has 26 emails sent out by members. This is the perfect time to use those credits, which I will start using myself today. Okay, so there's more free traffic for you. This is a launch, so you want to be active in this site and use those 1,500 email credits in the next month or so. Don't wait a year. Don't wait months. Don't wait a year, because it's worth less at that point. Because of the lower click-through rate that you start to experience, it starts to go down after a few weeks or so. It will definitely go down. Okay, so take advantage of the higher click-through rates now. Okay, see you on the next video. The link in the description, that link actually has the promo code, so just click on it and you'll get the code. I won't show it again because you'll get the code on that page. Alright? See you in the next one.